Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Skyscanner account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skyscanner account just in case you do not know how to create an account on Skyscanner. I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you do is to launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type skyscanner.net and that's going to take you to the official website for Skyscanner. Once again, to the website. Check the top right corner of your screen and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account by clicking on the sign up button. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Skyscanner. So now that you're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to delete Skyscanner account. From your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have these icons, right? The globe icon, the heart icon, and of course your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and that is going to take you right there into your accounts window. So from here you have this add a traveler, you have your bookings, you have price alert, and you have account. So click on account and right here it's displaying your account. So you have your account and you have the general information, your email, subscriptions, preferred departure airport. If you want to add an airport, and you have your account, the next thing right here is delete your account. So go ahead and click on delete your account and it takes you here. Your full account will be deleted, including all saved travelers, payment information, search history, price alerts, and subscription preferences. And once it's gone, it's gone. That is more like a warning right in your face. So after reading this warning and you still really want to proceed with the deleting of your account, then go ahead and click on the delete account button right here. Now after clicking on delete your account, everything is going to be rightly deleted. So this is pretty much how you can delete Skyscanner account. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.